welcome to another adventure of Knight's Tales. This is part of our 2023 Acadia trip, and we were actually on our way back from Acadia. This is July the 7th. We're staying in New Hampshire at Littleton, Franconia Notch, KOA. So today we ride down to Lincoln and go east on the 112, otherwise known as the Kancamagus Highway, or the Kank to the locals. And then we do Sabbaday Falls Trail hike, which is a 0.8 mile out and back. If you've been to this area, comment down below some of the things that you liked about it. I think it was surprising for us. Some of the scenery, the mountains, really enjoyed the area. If you like the video, consider liking and subscribing, and we'll see you on the other side.